Hi, my name is Kathleen Bonzik, and I'm an attorney as well as a consultant. In 1998, the United States Supreme Court entertained a precedent setting case dealing with same sex workplace based harassment, and it was called the Oncale versus Sundowner case. And what happened in that case? Joseph Oncale was a oil rig worker in Louisiana, and he states that he was subjected to ongoing, repeated bouts of harassment at work. What are some of the things that he talked about in his lawsuit? Mr. Oncale stated that his male coworkers called him a name suggesting homosexuality, that they subjected him to ongoing and repeated instances of sex related humiliating actions. They even threatened him with physical violence and rape. The case ultimately went to the Supreme Court of the United States, and the issue was, did same-sex harassment, male-on-male harassment in this case, did it violate, was it illegal under Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which is the federal law that bars workplace-based discrimination on the basis of sex as well as race, color, national origin, and religion. And in a unanimous decision delivered by the late Supreme Court Justice Anton Scalia, the court stated, yes, this type of conduct was prohibited by Title VII. So what should you do? What are some general guidelines if you find that you are being harassed at work? Well, the first thing to do, generally speaking, is to confront the harasser and advise him or her that the conduct is unwanted, it's offensive to you, and that you demand it stop immediately. If you do not feel comfortable speaking to the harasser for whatever reason, or if the person who's harassing you is your supervisor or some other organizational higher up, take your employee handbook out, go to your policies and procedures manual, and find out the name of the EEO officer. That's the Equal Employment Opportunity Officer within your company, the person designated to take complaints of discrimination. Go to that individual, be prepared, go in and advise him or her of the dates that this activity occurred, the name or names of the person or people that you feel are harassing you, the names of any witnesses, what happened, as well as any evidence you have of the harassment. Let's say the harasser sent you an offensive email or left a voicemail that you find harassing on your phone. Bring these things to your meeting. Give the EEO officer an opportunity to investigate. If, however, you find that they haven't investigated at all or haven't investigated it properly, or if the activities continue, you have other potential places to go to for help. One is the United States Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC. That is the federal agency that is charged with enforcing and interpreting Title VII, and that agency also takes complaints of discrimination. Or you can go to an attorney in your jurisdiction that specializes in employment law. Now remember, the aforementioned is offered for educational purposes only and not to render legal advice in any specific case. But if you feel you are being harassed, speak up. This is Kathleen Bonzik. Thank you for watching and listening today.